Kenyan President William Ruto played a pivotal role in overseeing the signing of a crucial agreement on Thursday, paving the way for Kenya to dispatch police officers to Haiti. This significant move is aimed at aiding the Caribbean nation in combating the persistent gang violence that has plagued the country for an extended period. Under the agreement, Kenya has committed to deploying approximately 1,000 skilled Kenyan security officers to Haiti, with the objective of assisting in quelling the rampant gang violence that has hindered the nation's progress. This collaborative effort was solidified as Foreign Affairs Cabinet Secretary Alfred Matua and his Haitian counterpart, Jean-Victor Génus, officially signed the deal on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly held in New York, U.S. A statement from a State House spokesperson emphasized the global and concerted nature of this peace mission, highlighting its objective to comprehensively address the dire situation in Haiti and contribute to restoring peace on a worldwide scale. Haiti's Prime Minister Ariel Henry was also in attendance during this momentous signing ceremony, underscoring the significance and commitment of both nations to the cause. This agreement followed praise from U.S. President Joe Biden, who commended President Ruto for his willingness to dispatch officers to support and train Haiti's law enforcement, aiding in their mission to stabilize the nation. Biden, speaking at the 78th edition of the United Nations General Assembly in New York, acknowledged the importance of nations stepping up and leading efforts to seek breakthroughs on challenging issues. He specifically highlighted Kenya's role, appreciating its willingness to spearhead a UN-backed security support system for Haiti. The planning and execution of this deployment have been in progress, with a Kenyan security team previously undertaking an assessment mission to Haiti. Their findings were subsequently briefed to the president, paving the way for potential action against the persistent gang violence that has plagued the Caribbean nation. The future initiatives include the identification and recruitment of the deployment team, extensive training, providing necessary equipment, securing funding, and dispatching them to Haiti. This accord between the two nations is a testament to the recognition of the necessity to enhance and fortify the bonds of friendship and cooperation, working towards mutual benefits and common interests for both countries and their people.